Hello. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's your girl, Strong Warrior. How are you? Yo, I just posted up some funny video. Thinking about it too much makes me laugh. So, pardon me on that. But happy Memorial Day uh, to those who serve, those who have served, and everything like that. Thank you for serving our country. This, that, and the third. For those who don't believe or celebrate, or whatever the case may be, happy to having a Monday off. And if you don't have a Monday off, happy Monday. You know what I mean? Because y'all not about to rain on a parade. So, what's going on, mafioso? You already know. You already know. Somebody here is married to the mob. Who's married to the mob? Let's figure it out. What's going on with this person being married to the mob? They probably don't even know they're married to the mob, connected to the mob in some sort of way. But you are part of a society that's keeping a close eye on you, and you don't even know it. So let's hop into this. Okay, dwelling on negativity. It's how moment, hidden motives. Listen, when I tell you. That you don't know what the fuck is going on behind the scenes, but you feel it in your bones. Yeah, you feel it in your bones. You about to be hit with a situation in which there's a revelation going on. Know what I mean? You about to find out what is going on, why the chessboard pieces are being moved the way they are. Okay? Whew. Whew. We got 4 major arcanas out of 6. Okay? And I don't know if this is anything in your control, but it does not seem like it. You understand what I'm saying? Like, yeah, like you're gonna have to rely on yourself and be resilient towards these new goals that you have in here with the Fool card and the Page of Cups. You know what I mean? There may be an offer, but there's something going on behind the scenes. There's something happening. Okay? Maybe in the past you dealt with a situation in which kept you in a fucking bubble of negativity that spirit had to sit your ass down somewhere. You know what I mean? And see the picture on a larger scale. And then when that came about, you know what I mean? You have to be able to trust in yourself that you can move forward and go on about, any kind of creative pursuits that you may have. Like this situation may have you so distraught that you have no other choice but to get into something that'll take your mind off of whatever it is that's going on. Okay? Yep, a spiritual journey here. Ain't no lying. What? Come on now. Come on now. You may be manifesting a new love without